Xerox C235DNI Review. The wireless laser beast that's too good for a home office. Sick of your current printer throwing tantrums like it's possessed? You're not alone. From failed scans and misfeeds to Wi-Fi hiccups and grainy color prints that look like bad Instagram filters, it's draining your time and your sanity. Whether you're a small business owner, a remote worker, or a student juggling deadlines, dealing with clunky tech that barely works kills motivation fast. You're left feeling overwhelmed, blocked, and completely out of flow. Honestly, isn't it time your gear started working for you, not against you? Let's be real. The printer you're using right now? It's probably costing you more than money. Missed deadlines, late proposals, fuzzy resumes, client files gone MIA, these little things add up to lost trust and stalled growth. The stress creeps in, your to-do list multiplies, and your focus goes MIA. Meanwhile, that spinning connecting icon taunts you like a digital middle finger. It's 2025, why are you still waiting 3 minutes for a one-page print job? It's not just annoying, it's sabotaging your hustle. Now meet your no BS solution. Xerox C235DNI Color All-in-One. This wireless laser beast prints, scans, copies, and faxes like it's on a mission. It pumps out 24 pages per minute, tackles double-sided jobs automatically, and fits into tight AF desk spaces without compromise. Built with Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB, and AirPrint support, this multitasker crushes every workflow, whether you're working from your bedroom, boardroom, or bustling startup. It's got next-level security, touchscreen control, and even a 50-sheet ADF to handle big jobs on the fly. Oh, and setup? Plug in, tap once, done. Seriously, it's a tiny, fierce color print monster designed to finally keep up with you. This isn't your grandma's printer. The Xerox C235DNI delivers jaw-droppingly crisp color, detailed graphics, and pristine black text that'll make your clients think you paid a designer. No more meh presentations or fading invoices. Plus, the Xerox Smart Start software gets you going straight out of the box, no IT degree needed. Users are raving, quiet, clean, sharp prints, better than I expected. Our team calls it the Office Ninja. And it's EPEAT certified, packed with eco-friendly smarts and free cartridge recycling. Convert handwritten notes into text, create on-the-go audio from printed docs, and redact sensitive info instantly with Xerox Workflow Central. Curious? Good. Tap in to see why this little dynamo is changing how people think about all-in-one. Who knew printers could be sexy? This is your sign. Stop wrestling with outdated junk. Join the thousands of users who've already made the switch to smarter, smoother printing with Xerox. But heads up. Supply is limited, and this one flies off the shelves faster than it prints. Don't wait for another missed deadline. Click buy now, claim your upgrade, and print like a boss today. Zero headaches, zero regrets, just pro-grade performance, guaranteed. Work smarter, not harder. And hey, your future self? They'll totally thank you.